Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel the auto renewal on your Disney Plus subscription. This is a quick and easy process that ensures you're only charged for the period you want to use the service. To start, log in to your Disney Plus account through their website. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the account settings, locate and click on Subscription. Then click on Billing Details. Here you'll see an option to cancel subscription. Click on the button to proceed. You will be asked to confirm your decision to cancel. Once confirmed, your subscription will not renew and you will retain access until the end of your current billing cycle. Remember, no refunds are provided for any unused time remaining on your subscription. So that's it. Your Disney Plus subscription will now stop auto renewing. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.